Ready? Air pollution is a worldwide phenomena and India is not an exception to it. Full stop. With every winter comes the news of increasing air pollution in the Delhi NCR region. Full stop. This is attributed to various causes such as burning of rice stubble by farmers in northwest India, construction activities, vehicle exhausts, etc., as well as the prevailing atmospheric conditions. Full stop. To understand why this severe air pollution occurs, let us first understand what air pollution is and how it harms our health. Para. Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of substances, including gases, liquids, and solid particles, as well as biological molecules, are introduced into the Earth's atmosphere that tends to interfere with human comfort, health, or welfare, and also causes environmental damage. Full stop. Both human activity and natural processes can generate air pollution. Para. Air pollution can occur both in the open air, called outdoor pollution, as well as inside the house, called indoor pollution. Stop. Outdoor air pollution is a growing problem worldwide. Full stop. Smog is a form of large scale outdoor pollution. Full stop. It is caused by chemical reactions between pollutants derived from different sources, primarily automobile exhausts and industrial emissions. Full stop. In contrast, indoor air pollution is mostly caused by burning of solid fuels for household cooking, heating, and lighting. Full stop. Indoor pollutants include salt, particulate matter, mold, dust particles, and bacteria, as well as chemicals and volatile organic compounds released from paints, personal care products, and building materials. Full stop. Not only does air pollution affect the health of people but also affects their longevity. Full stop. WHO has ranked outdoor air pollution among the top killers in India. Para. Air pollutants can be in the form of particulate matter, which can be very harmful to our health. Full stop. PM10 are pollution particles having diameter equal to 10 micrometers or lesser. A human hair is about 100 micrometers. Full stop. These are not trapped in the nose or throat but are drawn deep into the lungs. Full stop. PM 2.5 are smaller pollution particles having diameter equal to or less than 2.5 micrometers in size. Full stop. These are more harmful than PM10 and penetrate deep into the respiratory systems. Full stop. These cause the most damage to the body. Full stop. Short-term effects of air pollution include irritation to the eyes, nose and throat, and upper respiratory infections such as bronchitis, pneumonia, headaches, nausea, and allergic reactions. Full stop. Long-term health effects can include chronic respiratory disease, lung cancer, heart disease, and even damage to the brain, nerves, liver, or kidneys. Full stop. Continual exposure to air pollution can affect the lungs of growing children. Stop.